Welcome to Tour the World. In our previous series, we explored several cities in Finland with drone cameras. We journeyed through Helsinki, Savonlinna, Kuopio, and Joensuu cities of Finland. We also visited Uppsala, another city in Sweden, and produced short documentaries featuring real drone footage. If you haven't seen those, please visit our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the beauty of Stockholm, Sweden. With a population of approximately 1.7 million, Stockholm is the capital city of Sweden, built across 14 islands connected by over 50 bridges. Its architecture, lifestyle, and weather is similar to that of Helsinki, Finland. Stockholm features numerous local ferries and private boats that navigate its surrounding islands, complemented by ample boat parking spots throughout the city. Surrounded by water and green spaces, Stockholm is known for its clean environment and smart urban planning, making it a great place to live. With its numerous lakes, islands, and bridges connecting these islands, Stockholm offers a great travel destination. Stockholm boasts stunning landmarks, including Hedvig Eleonora Church in Östermalm, known for its 18th century Baroque architecture with an octagonal design and impressive dome. Nearby, on Skeppsholmen Island, lies Skeppsholmen Church, a historic 19th century neoclassical structure renowned for its serene interior and elegant design. Sofia Church is another famous church in Stockholm's Södermalm district. It is an early 20th century church named after Queen Sofia. It boasts Gothic Revival architecture with a tall spire and beautiful stained glass windows. Unfortunately, when we reached here, it was wintertime and darkness started quite early. During autumn, Stockholm's trees blaze with vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow, adding to the city's charm. Stockholm also boasts numerous monuments near its city centre, adding to its historical appeal. Don't miss out on the ferry trip from Stockholm to Helsinki with Viking Line, especially if you're planning to stay in Sweden for more than 3 days. The Viking Line terminal is a convenient 40-minute walk from Stockholm's Old Town. Viking Line offers ferry services between Stockholm and Helsinki, providing comfortable cabins, beds, duty-free shopping, and various entertainment options. The journey takes approximately 18 hours, allowing you to rest in your cabin overnight. The ferry typically departs Stockholm in the evening, around 4 p.m., and arrives in Helsinki the next morning around 10 a.m. It's a fantastic experience that you shouldn't overlook. We hope you enjoyed our Stockholm journey and the beauty of its islands. The best times to visit are June and July, avoiding the snowy months from October to April. In our upcoming journeys, we'll explore Tallinn, Estonia's capital, and Riga, Latvia's capital. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Until next time, take care and see you in the next episode.